Welcome to Valletta, Malta. This is port 2 on our semester at Sea Diaries, and for day 1, we had an exciting lineup. Today was all about exploring, trying new things, and just sightseeing around this beautiful town. Honestly, where the ship docked was in the perfect location because we really were in the heart of Malta. I was just so excited to try all the local dishes, see what the rave was all about. You just see these balconies called gallerias, which literally means gallery in English.
It's flooding.
There's a tsunami. Good morning, everyone. We're in Valletta, and it's raining.
After a huge downpour of rain that came out of nowhere, we decided to pop into a grocery store. Trying snacks from different countries is my favorite form of entertainment.
Malta candy.
It's chunky Kit Kat. Chunky peanut butter.
Ooh.
That sounds so good. Okay, we're getting chunky Kit Kat.
Yorkie for Leo and Lacey and Matcha. I miss that. This is a petition for America to get on this. Get more Kinder. I don't really know how I feel about the packaging on this one. Marketing could be a little better.
I did my research before we came here, and pastizzi is a savory pastry filled with ricotta or mushy peas. We decided to get both. I'm a girl that loves food.
Alright, what are we trying?
Pastizzi.
Pastizzi. Apparently these are really, really popular here. So we're getting ricotta and a pea one.
Hi.
Where did you guys go?
We've just been walking around. Good, but then it's like really bitter.
That's real good. Taste test. Okay, we don't know which one this one is. You take a bite first. It could either be ricotta or pea.
Definitely ricotta.
Ricotta?
That's crunchier than I thought it was gonna be.
It sounds crunchy.
I'm a fan.
That's kind of good.
Whatever this is. First bite.
Isn't that yum?
You want the first bite of this?
No,
This
that
one,
one's good.
It's like
peas.
really crunchy. Ooh, it's crispy. Wow, that is pretty good. Wait, that one is better. 8, I think. I guess I'm like an 8 out of 6.
For lunch today, Amanda and I are splitting the Maltese salad.
To do some outdoor stuff.
It's the cutest bar I've ever seen in my life.
If you ever make your way to Malta, you have to go to the Oyster Grotto bar. Everything about this place was top tier. Then from drinks, we got gelato.
Can I do a small of the mint, please? I'm a mint girly at heart. Here you go. Thank you. How cute. They come with it. That's so cute. That's so I know what a bad one is. Oh, this is perfect. What cathedral is this? St. John? We're in the St. John Cathedral. We're gonna go do a little tour. We're going up the stairs. Also, I got a shirt.
You know what they say, time's got a good way of healing. I'm back on my feet and I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing kind of weather, back together like I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed, but I moved through the heartache mood.
What's in it though? No nuts, right?
No, no.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Low-key like more soupy.
Wait, that's better than mine. Can you wanna try mine? Yeah, can I try it? Oh, Kate, yours is real good.
Did you try the blue one?
Robin, yours is real good.
Do you want to try the kiss?
Yeah, let me see.
But there's no kiss. Roll that to Venus. Mine's better. Why is that?
Just got something that says, it's very inspirational, it means a lot to me.
Comment down below if you can read Chinese.
It just says mommy.
Good morning from the debrief after.
Good morning! Good morning, good morning.
Today we're having a chiller day. We got back. Wait, did I go to bed at the same time as you?
No, I went to sleep like an hour after you because
You went to sleep at 5?
I was just standing in the shower for a really long time.
She was thinking.
I was pondering.
I went to bed at 4. Kate went to bed at 5 a.m. Amanda?
I'd say good like 4:30.
We're tired. I did not get any sleep, but I still feel really good right now. So I guess I did something right. Today we're gonna have a chill day. We're getting our nails done. Self-care day. Also because my shoes are ruined. Look at my sneakers right now. They're actually black at the front. It looks disgusting. Hello. Good morning. We're getting acai bowls. Even though we already had breakfast and lunch, I'm a big acai girl. And I got banana, granola, chia seeds as my topping. Did you get an acai bowl too?
No, I just got acai matcha.
I'm so excited. That's real good. I've been craving acai. Oh my god, I need this now.
I really like it.
You gotta.
Kate, Amanda, and I found this little salon in the wall. It was interesting to say the least. There was only like 10 color choices.
Currently,
Wait, where's Nicole?
just got out of our pedicures.
Walking the streets.
Okay, I'm gonna give that pedicure like a 3 out of 10. Never cheating on my girl Lily again. Also, my feet are covered in oil right now.
They're so oily, bro.
We just loaded up on some good snacks and cereal and bars. We're gonna be stocked up. POV, you're going on a boat in like 10 minutes.
Flowers, but she has no address. More than a crush, more than a like, more than a love.
Today we're going on a catamaran to Blue Lagoon with like a bunch of people from Semester at Sea. We're probably gonna see the whole entire ship there, to be honest.
The booze cruise.
I kid you not, I just woke up from like a nap. We napped on the booze cruise. My face feels indented.
Yeah.
So there's that. But yeah, we're chilling. What would you rate the food today?
Okay, the food on the cruise is like a 5.
The water was beautiful and
It's stunning out here.
yeah, this is like gorgeous. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Feeling great? On a scale of 1 to 10.
8.2. Is that not good enough? I got 8.7.
I'm like I'd say 8.2.
I'd say 8.3, but after my conversation with John, I'm like a 6.4.
Oh! How are you guys feeling?
How are you feeling?
I'd say I feel like an 8.5. Today was a good day.
Was it?
Today was a good day. I feel like a 9, but my throat like hurts when I'm swallowing.
I have balls.
Like a 6.2.
Your balls, I have balls.
What the?
Oh yeah, can I? I missed home a lot, so we're eating at a Tex-Mex place. Why are you pointing?
Hide your kids. Your dad in the back too.
Guys, today we are in Gozo, Malta. We took the ferry last night after a full day on the catamaran. I have never felt so sick in my life. Like last night, I actually thought I was gonna die. But now I'm feeling better. My throat just hurts to talk. But everybody is hungry. We're staying in this really, really cute Airbnb, like in the middle of the city center. Alright, we made it to the beaches here at Gozo, and my friend Iman came just for a little bit, and she and I were chatting right here, but she had to go leave. The sand and the water is gorgeous. It's a stunning day out. Also, I'm not used to seeing this color sand, because usually the beaches in Texas are more like brown, and then like in Florida and whatnot, the sand is white. guess we're making a cake tonight. We should try a slice.
First pizza ever created, guys.
This one looks good for you.
For me? You're like, yeah, the one that has nothing on it.
No, this one has everything on it. Cheers.
Back out on the pesto.
Yeah, no, I know.
It was actually good.
Surprise.
Good job. Hold up.
Wait, it's hot. It's so good. Which one is this? What's this on it? Just veggie?
Just eat it.
It's so good.
Guys, it's October 1st.
Oh my god, holy shit. This is not for real.
It's October 1st. What's going on? Today we're leaving Gozo Island, but before we do, I walked to the grocery store because I need to get some yogurt and just something for breakfast. Some of them are having leftover pizza, but I'm not really in like a pizza kind of mood right now. I give this like a 9.6 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. It's cold. I hope it does. This is a...
Why is the muesli called muesli?
This room is not creepy at all. We tried to catch a ferry to go back to Valletta early, but then we got scammed by this guy. Now our ferry is at 2:45, but it kind of worked out because it's past lunchtime and we're eating at this place. Yay, we love travel days. Okay, it's ice cream o'clock. I just got back on the ship. Later tonight we are leaving Malta and we're headed to Barcelona, but I wanted to add my Polaroids that I took from this trip and then kind of fill out the rest of my journal. I'm gonna link the journal down below. This is from the brand Somewhere Divine. There's a lot of really cool things in here, like adding Polaroids, writing moments that you don't want to forget. You can attach maps and tickets and all that stuff. For example, this is my ferry ticket from Gozo, and so I'm gonna add that in here.